government's Game Changer scheme is being launched today, just as the Prime Minister wanted. But gaps in infrastructure like bank accounts and beneficiary lists forced the government to pare its ambitious direct cash transfer of subsidies from the targeted 51 districts to just 20, with the number of schemes also whittled down from 34 to 26. Of the 26 selected schemes, cash transfers will now roll out in 7, mostly related to student scholarships and stipends. But how prepared is the government?
In a step regarded as a milestone in good governance and financial inclusion, Direct Benefit Transfer Scheme has been rolled out from the 1st of January this year. Under the scheme, money for intended beneficiaries of various union government schemes will now reach direct into the bank accounts. The first phase of the scheme, covering 43 districts, will be completed by March 2013. All 26 schemes have been covered in the first phase. From this new year, the 7 schemes in which payout is due in the target districts, the money will be transferred through the direct benefit transfer system using the UIDAI platform.
1 जनवरी 2013 से लेकर 1 मार्च 2013 तक जो इस कार्यक्रम का पहला चरण है, कोशिश ये है कि जो 26 स्कीमें निर्धारित की गई हैं, जैसे जैसे उनकी तिथि आती जाएगी, वैसे वैसे उनका जो लाभ है वो बेनिफिशरीज तक पहुंचाया जाएगा.
For those who do not have Aadhaar-linked bank account, the money would be transferred to their accounts, which can be withdrawn through the business correspondence. In the first phase, more than 2 lakh people will have the money credited to their accounts. Banks and the target districts will also start 20 lakh micro ATMs. Government has made it clear that the subsidies on food, fertilizer and kerosene would not be part of the cash transfer scheme.
Transfer the subsidies for food, fertilizer, diesel, kerosene. Those subsidies are not being transferred to the DBT. As I have been repeatedly saying, they are complex issues. They have to be studied carefully. And only when we are completely satisfied that they are amenable to be transferred through the DBT, we will think of that.
Government believes the direct cash benefit transfer will bring more transparency in governance and will be a good tool in containing corrupt practices. Government is poised to implement the scheme in all districts by the end of 2013.
एक शानदार स्कीम है, गरीब आदमी के लिए, आम आदमी के लिए इंतहाई फायदेमंद होगी. उनका हक सीधा उनको मिलेगा. ये इतिहास का एक नया पन्ना होगा और एक ऐसा कदम सरकार का है जिससे आम आदमी को बहुत फायदा पहुंचेगा.